Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to delay clicks on NOKIA 5.3. First, we need to open settings. They should be on your home screen, but if you can't find them, no problem. All you have to do is scroll up, then click on the search bar, then write settings, and just scroll to accessibility. Now click on timing controls, touch and hold delay, and here you can choose how much delay do you want, short, medium or long. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.